Hi, welcome to Square Cells. This is Thomas from Denmark. I will be looking at the puzzle 25. Now this is an 8x8 puzzle. If we look at this row, it's a 4 and 1. It could be these 4 and then space and then 1. It could be this, space and 1, and it could be this, and space and 1. So at least these two, right? This, or this. Yes, at least these two. The same goes the other way in this row. So it's two from inside, like this. Now, here we have 18, here we have 4. They cannot connect. If this or this is marked, then they connect. So we disconnect them. Same goes here. And same goes here. And same goes here. In this column, we could have 5 and 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or it could actually go here as well. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So at least we have these. Could not go any further than this because then the space and 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes. In this column, it's the other way around, I suppose. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Or 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and space and 1. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it has to be these 4 at least. So looking at this row, we have 3 now, so the 4th has to go there or there, so it cannot go there. The other way around here, we have 3, the 4th has to go there or there, so it cannot go there. Here in this column we need 4 in a row. We have 4 here now, so we delete this and this. Same goes here, we have 4 now. They have to be connected so we can remove the rest. Now in this row we need 2, 1, 2, so we have 2, 1 somewhere and 2. And same should go down here, 1 somewhere and 2. Now to get 4 here we need to go in this direction, and then we have our 4, so we disconnect. And the same here, so we disconnect. The same goes here, so we disconnect, and the same goes here, so we disconnect. Now it seems that we have our 4, so we can delete this and the space here, and the 4 is here. Same goes here, we have our 4 and the space and the 1. And now we have to count it a bit here. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. We need 2 more. It means 1 more here and 1 more here in this column. Because we need a 5er, it could go there and there. But if it goes there, then when we put in our 1 in this column, it touches this, and then we have 1 too many. And same here, if we put 1 here, then the 1 in this column has to be here, 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 and it connects. So the 1 has to be there, and the 1 has to be there, and then we put in our 5 here and here, and then we should be able to remove the last 4. Well, that's it. See you on the next puzzle.